The Northeastern Region Car Rally was ceremoniously flagged off today in Shillong as part of the special outreach program commemorating the 75 glorious years of the National Cadet Corps. Upholding the NCC's cherished values of leadership, camaraderie and patriotism among the youth, the rally serves as a platform for fostering unity and a sense of discipline among the participants. The NER Car Rally has garnered significant participation with 277 schools, 151 colleges and 44 districts from across 6 states of the Northeast. Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad Sangma, while flagging off the event, congratulated the NCC for its exceptional service to the nation in inspiring the youth towards discipline, service and unity.
Where as it is, as of now,
that our biggest challenge is our youth and the biggest opportunity is our youth. It depends on how we shape them. If we can't shape them and we can't channelize their energy, it will be a destructive force. But if we can channelize it and put it in a constructive way, it will be the most transforming force that the world will see. And that is the goal that as the Chief Minister I have, and I'm sure that NCC also is in the same thought process, and therefore it is very, very necessary that the biggest resource after time, the biggest resource which is our youth, has to be shaped and nurtured in the right way. And